Welcome to the Astro. In this Python tutorial on Astropy library, our objective is to learn that how to deal with multiple feeds file. I mean, like how to read the feeds file and how to extract data and how to do plotting with multiple feeds file. All right. Okay, so in order to do this stuff, we will be using Astropy and globe library. Okay, so let's do it. So first of all, let me import library. Okay, so I will import globe library. So import globe. Okay, and after that I will read multiple feeds file. Okay, so for that I will type here feeds file equal to globe dot globe. Okay, and I can give the function and see what it takes. So you can see it takes the path name. Okay, so here you can give a path name like that, or you can directly give the file name. So what I will do, I will give here a star. So a stars means like it will read all the file and then dot feeds. So basically this means this command will read all the feeds file which have extension dot feeds. Okay, so run it and check here. So feeds file here and run it. So here you can see that you have total of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, this much of the feeds file we have this feeds extension, right? So you can also extract individual files as 0 1 1 3. Okay, this way you can extract your individual feeds file, right? So till we have read multiple feeds file, now we will be opening this multiple feeds file. So for that I will import Astropy library. So from astropy.io import feeds. Okay, so like this deals with, so this deals with multiple files, right? And this deals with multiple feeds files, right? So let's do it. So for that use for loop. Okay, so for I in range. So suppose like I want to read only like first 3 feeds file, right? So then you can give a variable equal to feeds dot open, and you can pass it this variable. So feeds file I index. Okay, so this will like read your all feeds file. So this will open feeds file, right? Now you can print some information about the feeds file. So print information. Okay, so for that type here print f. Okay, f dot info. Okay, and then do the function. Now print it. So here you can see that your first file name is frame R, then second is frame R and Z. Okay, so I or Z. You can also make it say 6, so it will like read all your 6 feeds file. So for time being I will read only 3 feeds file, right? So you have 3 feeds file. You have got the information about the feeds file, like what is the primary HDU, image HDU and a table HDU, right? Now I will extract data. So extract data. So for that type here data. Okay, you can see your image data in all the feeds file is in the primary HDU, which value is 0. Okay, so for that give here if 0 for primary HDU and dot and dot data. Okay, so extract data from primary HDU. Okay, so now you got the data, so you can print your data. So print data I. Okay, so here you can see that first you have a feeds file and then you have a data. Okay, so here is your frame R and data. Here is your frame Z and data. Okay, so this way you can print it. Now you can plot this data. Okay, so plot image data, right? So for that import here matplot library. So import matplotlib dot pyplot as plt, and you can also import numpy. So import numpy as np, right? And then you can type your command plt dot im show image show, and you can pass your data I. Okay, or just pass your data and also type a command plt dot im show, right? And then you can plt dot show. Then you can take the log of the data for visibility. So log 10, and now run the code. So here you can see that you have your first frame I, and you have data, and here is the image, right? Then you have your R frame, data and image. Similarly frame Z, your file information, data and image, right? So this way you can read multiple feeds file using a globe library, and then you can open multiple feeds file using Astropy library. Then you can extract information about the feeds file. Then you can read the data from the feeds file. And then you can do plotting from the image data, right? So this way you can handle the multiple feeds file. I hope this concept is clear to you, and it's a very basic coding stuff you can do in 4 or 5 lines. So thank you.